After monitor, second is a printer. Printer is also an output device which gives hard copy of the document. That means in a sheet of paper we take the output of the soft copy of the system. There are two types of printer, impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer, as the name is impact, it gives impact while printing. That means how it gives impact while printing? While printing, its printer's print head and paper both comes in mechanical contact during the printing, right? So that means printer's print head touches the paper and then it prints. So as for example, dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, which is named on the daisy wheel flower, it shapes and forms was like daisy wheel flower only. So daisy wheel printer and impact printer, both heads touches the paper while printing. So in such case what happened, it makes noise, it produces noise. That is drawback of and disadvantage of using impact printer. And also it is very slow in performance. In banking system, in banks and all, still we can see in some banks in rural area or in town area also, you can see, you just visit and see, search for where impact printers are, and we also had used it, impact printer, right? So but it is very robust in nature. One plus point is it was very robust in nature. Second is non-impact printer. Non-impact printer is that the printer which does not gives impact while printing. That means it non-impact printer is a printer in which there is no mechanical contact between print head and paper. That means how then printing is done? Printing is done by the nozzle, right? It sprays through the nozzle and sprays the ink through nozzle on a paper, and then it prints the document. So that is a non-impact printer. Non-impact printer, the advantage was it is very fast and accurate also, and gives high quality of printing, but little bit expensive. That is non-impact printer. Nowadays it is common, very common in use. So the examples of non-impact printers are inkjet printer, laser printer, electromagnetic printer, thermal printer, and electrostatic printer. All these are example of non-impact printer. Then is speakers. Third one is speakers, output device. What is speaker? So as we all use speakers are output devices which produces sound as an output, and it requires sound card for proper functioning. It requires sound card to install, and it needs a driver also to install, sound card driver. Then fourth one is plotter. Plotter is a printer type of device, output device, which gives printout, and it gives printout. Which type of printout? It gives printout. It gives vector graphics. It is used for printing vector graphics, and it is just like a printer but big in size. And it uses, as printer uses toner or some cartridge to print, but it uses, instead of toner, it uses pen, pencil, marker, or other writing tools to draw continuous lines on a paper, right? Instead of series of dots which generated by which that printer generates, inkjet printer or laser printer generates. So it is used for printing vector graphics, line graphics, vector graphics. And advantage of plotter are that it can print on a very large surface area, means it can print on a very large sheets of paper, and also maintains high resolution. It maintains high resolution also, and It prints on a variety of flat materials like plywood, aluminium, or steel, cardboard, plastic. It prints on, and it allows the same pattern to be drawn thousands of times without any image degradation. So these all are advantages of using plotter. Nowadays plotter are very less used, but still it started when it's invented. Then that time CAD design we were printing, means we as a people were printing CAD, we were using it in CAD design, computer aided design we were using it. Engineering also it is used. In engineering it is used plotter to plot the what architectural work. It is used. Then there are two types of plotter: pen plotter and photo plotter. Pen plotter is that in pen plotter, pen is moved into two dimensions, up and down, left and right, across a paper to create output. That is pen plotter. And photo plotter, it uses fiber optics technology to produce the image on dry paper. Then last one is projector. We have seen projector, and we might have projector at our home, right? So projector is an device, output device, that takes the display of the computer screen and make it large onto a flat surface, and it is used for meeting purpose, presentation purpose, to show the viewers where the viewers are in large amount. So it is used to show them a presentation. So these were output devices. So this was the last topic which we covered here, output devices. With this topic we are ending this chapter. This was chapter 2, types of hardware. So all these we were discussed about types of hardware. What are the different types of hardware? Monitor, printer, and input devices, output devices, all of these were part of. So revise the chapter and prepare yourself for your internal exams as well as your self updation and upgradation. Just go through the chapter. First, many of you asking about that books. You do not have any books provided till yet. Which book to buy? So in previous year we were, now as CBSE changed the syllabus from since 2 years onward, so we are following computer applications of Sumita Arora, and in 9th class Python is added, right, since 2 years. This is going to be 3rd year. So Python is added in your syllabus, Python programming language, and rest the same as it was with few little changes, right? So whatever I am providing you, just go through those notes only till the time, and further I will try to provide you the snaps of the book pages, and questionnaire session also I will provide you. But right now go through the books, complete your assignments whatever given to you, right, and prepare yourself thoroughly. Thank you.